Now, to make things the would form in Spanish, this is known as the conditional. I don't like to teach it that way. All you do is you actually just add two verbs. No matter if it's an odd, or ir verbs. If you want to say I, he, she, it, or you formal would, and then insert the verb, all you do is you add ia. So in this case, the I form and the he, she, it, you formal will go into one. And that's where you're going to start seeing for the rest of these tenses. So if you want to say I would speak, or he would speak, or she would speak, or it would speak, or you formal would speak, it's all into one word, which is hablaría. You add ia. And here the stress is on the ia. Hablaría, presentaría. That would mean I, he, she, it, you formal would present. Now for you informal, it's ias. So hablarías, vivirías, presentarías, etc. For we would, it's íamos, presentaríamos, hablaríamos, and then for they or you guys, it's ian. So hablarían, etc. Very simple. You can see that you can start guessing all of these just because they're so similar, which is why I say you don't have to memorize to learn grammar in Spanish. Likewise, you can get words like should as well, because to must in Spanish, like someone must do something, is deber, related to debt, because debt is something that you have to pay, right? You must pay. And so if you want to say should, you would just say would, must. And so deber would become debería. That's how you say I should, or he should, or she should, or whatever. You get the point. And then could in Spanish is just would be able to, right? Would, can. And the verb to can, or to be able to, is poder. And so it should be podería, but after years of saying podería, 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 it becomes podría, podría. Podrías, podrían, podríamos, podría. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.